5,000 journalists and 10,000 environmental activists. Those were the numbers taking part in the climate conference in Copenhagen. Now that it's over, lots of other numbers are being assessed, including the carbon footprint generated by all of those people. David Farrier reports.
It's estimated over 46,000 tonnes of carbon dioxide was pumped into the atmosphere thanks to the Copenhagen conference. This is down to the simple fact all those world leaders, protesters, reporters and celebs had to get there somehow. Over 20,000 of them.
The world is going to melt and we are going to die anyway.
So, what does 46,000 tonnes of carbon emissions look like? For starters, it would fill up an Olympic-sized swimming pool and then another 9,999 Olympic-sized swimming pools. It's the same amount of CO2 produced by 2,300 Americans every year, or 660,000 Ethiopians. Flights to Copenhagen were to thank for most of the emissions, 40,500 tonnes. Commercial flights were mostly to blame, along with 140 private jets. Then there's the other 5,700 tonnes of greenhouse gas emissions. Most of this was due to factors associated with accommodation, from room heating right down to the small things like tea, an estimated 200,000 cups of tea, going with 200,000 servings of food. Then there was the transport around the city, buses, taxis and 12,000 limos. The Danish government says it's aware of these figures and has plans to offset the massive carbon footprint generated from the conference. David Farrier, 3 News.